Hello everybody, here we go. Let's talk about how to control the LED light with the infrared remote control today. So without further ado, this is the infrared receiver and the circuit connection diagram of Arduino. Next, let's see how does the code realize this kind of wireless control. Firstly, the library file. IRremote can be downloaded from the Managed Libraries of Arduino IDE. And in this file, the receiving pin of the infrared receiver is A0. Create an object. Here, the decoded data received is stored in the result variable. Following is the initialization function. First, set the communication baud rate to 9600. And then start receiving data. Set pin 13 to output mode, as LED light will be illuminated as soon as the specific data is received. This function is the main loop function. Here, if the decoding is successful, it will execute the following code. Print the received data in the serial port. Here you can observe through the serial port that the infrared receiver will receive different data when different buttons are pressed. For example, when I press the button 1 of the remote control, the data received will be 16724175. At the time, the LED light will be on. When press button 0, the data received will be 16738455, and the LED light will be off. Here, receiving the next data. Delay 100 milliseconds because it takes time to receive and store the data. Okay, after uploading the program, when I press button 1 of the remote control, LED light is on. When press 0, LED light is off. Now, why not make an infrared wireless control system yourself?